beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went in.
Today's the big day where the bull car's going to get sprayed at last. Whee! So, if you can't already tell by the colour of my face and my dad's face, you'll find out in a minute exactly what colour the car's going to be. So, let's get spraying.
Dead technical this is.
Yeah, sorting the paint out now. There we go.
50-50, high build primer. This is the way to do it. That.
Half that, half thinners. Give it a shake. Off we go.
Standard thinners.
Standard thinners.
Gotta get right.
Got to get it right, yeah. Don't make out like we actually know what we're doing. Cowboys.
Okay, standard thinners.
Glug, 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 glug. Oh, sniff that.
Oh, that's nice. You're high as a kite.
There you go. For a stare.
Just there.
The official staring stick. Yep.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your primer. Shake your thinner. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Right, I think that's enough. As you see, dead technical sort of thing. Keeping Paul busy shaking it. It's just 50-50. Thinners, standard thinners, high build primer. Well shaken, not stirred, as Mr. Bond would say.
It's actually shaking and stirred.
Oh, is it? Oh, well.
Yeah. Yep, and then ready to go on the car.
Yeah. There you go. Anyone think they do it themselves? There you go. If we can do it, anyone can do it. Alright.
Interesting.
It's Simo! Danger. I am the one who knocks.
Spraying, bitch!
What do you figure that is? You got me. Say my name.
Go on, tell us about what we've been doing.
Right, we just took a 15-minute break for the first coat on the body. We've been doing the coats 50-50 cellulose. We finished off on the inside. We've done 3 coats, and we finished off with a coat of about 75% thinners with a bit of cellulose colour in it, just to finish it off. That's it, isn't it?
What colour is it?
Ah, the colour. Yeah, of course, the colour. It's Ford Racing Red. That's what we decided on in the end.
But we couldn't actually get Ford Racing Red, could we?
Yeah, well, this actually was the nearest you could get to Ford Racing Red. We looked at Lava Red. Well,
Flame Red.
Flame Red. We looked at Flame Red as well. We came up with this, and this is the nearest we get to it, and it is pretty bright. So, quite pleased with the results at the moment. Me2. Unfortunately, we couldn't get finished yesterday. After we got the second coat on, it started to rain, so we thought we'd better pack it in. The actual spraying booth, as good as it is, it's not 100% waterproof, and the last thing we wanted was to get rain coming in.
It's a couple of small holes in the roof, so...
Yeah, it's a couple of holes in the roof and whatever. So anyway, we're back again Sunday morning. It's been sanded down, or flatted down, I should say, with 1000 grade, wet and dry, which took the shine off. And we're going to just put 2 coats now, maybe 3, on the outside of the body, and hopefully that's it. Unfortunately, we have found 1 or 2 little spots where there was a couple of runs. Again, no big deal. Once it's been left for a week or 2, or maybe 3 or whatever, they can be taken down and took out. But worse than that is 1 or 2 cracks. We think possibly we put the prime on too thick. Again, we'll wait and see. Time will only tell. But at the end of the day, whatever happens, there's always a way of fixing things with cellulose. That's the beauty of it.
We've given ourselves, about 7 out of 10 for the spraying so far.
Yeah.
Which for...
It's about 7 out of 10 because it was, well, it is good, it is good. The interior actually, must admit, Paul did, well, 95% of the interior because you're a lot more flexible than me. I'm trying to do that in there, I tell you what, you need to be a gymnast or a contortionist, I should say, because the positions you've got to get yourself into it, and anyone that's tried painting a Trojan Heinkel will know exactly what we mean. It's not easy.
The interior's come up good though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So you get a quick shot of some of the interior. There you go. So it's pretty good. Of course, it's the outside that's the harder part, isn't it? With the bigger panels and stuff like that. Right, let's get back to it.
Let's go.
Right, so it's had its final coat. And just some close-ups of what it looks like. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So obviously, you know, we need to do some work in this once it's cured. But we think it's come out really well. Okay, there's the side. Looking good. Yeah, that's all the inner arches there. Yeah, top quality paint job that. Your dad set an extractor fan up since last time as well, and quite clearly it's done something, as you can see all the red dust where it's been pulled through. It's just a computer fan connected to a 12-volt battery down there. Every little helps, I suppose. my dad's driving this time, and we're not going to Scotland. Where are we going this time, Dad?
The out of hours at the hospital. Guess who's cut himself?
Yeah, this isn't great. I've sliced my finger in 3 different places.
He's been using angle grinders, saws, welding equipment, and he goes and cuts himself on a brush handle. Honestly, God, what a rough arse. Don't put that in. Can't say arse.
Well,
at least I get to have a drive in a BM anyway.
we'll show you later. I'll show you later what I did, what we were doing. But now I think I need to go and get myself stitched up and whatever else they need to do. We decided we were going to clear out a tent today. It was all full of paint dust and stuff like that. So we got to work with the hose and the brush, and we were scrubbing away. And then I was scrubbing a little bit too enthusiastically, and that's when I snapped the brush. So I snapped it in, there you go. I snapped the brush in half in my hand and then cut my hand open in 3 places. 2.5 hours later in A&E. Never mind.